Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. To update the Candy Crush Saga app, first of all make sure that your device that you're connected with has a stable internet connection. Once you have it, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store. If you're on Android, you'll need to open up your Google Play Store, whereas if you're on an iOS device, you'll need to open up your App Store and then find the search box where you can type in Candy Crush Saga. In the search result, look for the Candy Crush Saga application and tap on it. Now, you will be able to see the app info section. Tap on the update button if available. If you see the update button, simply tap on it to download the latest version of app available, but if you see open instead, the app is already up to date. Wait for the update to download and install, and you will then be able to download the latest version of Candy Crush Saga on your device. Updating the Candy Crush Saga app ensures you have access to the latest feature, bug fixes, and events. That's all for today's video. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.